everyone. This is Mrs. Savage. I am going to be showing you our first lesson for science this week. So who can remember the 5 different animal groups that we have been learning about? Let's see. Did you say mammals, reptiles, amphibians, birds, and fish? Give yourself a pat on the back if you did. Well done. So today we're going to be looking at the 5 different groups that we have been learning about and looking at the features of each of those groups. Also, can you give reasons why animals are in each group? And then our last objective is, can I write neatly and draw and color animals correctly? So when we do science, we need to make sure that when we draw animals and color them, that we are doing accurate colors. So if I was to color a frog, I would color him green or maybe brown. If I was doing a polar bear, I would make him kind of white. So that's one of the things we're going to be working on today. So here we have, match the animal to the group. So who knows where is the reptile? Oh, let me move my, there we go. Well done if you said the chameleon. Well done. What about the mammal? Which of these animals is a mammal? Well done if you said the polar bear. What about the amphibian? Super if you said the frog. And where is the bird? Well done. And the fish. Great. So these are the 5 groups that we are going to be looking at. So we are going to be going over some of the features, and I am going to be revealing each feature, and I want you to try and guess what group it belongs to. So here we have, if I start to reveal, it breathes air and it is warm blood. Breathes air and warm-blooded. Let's see. It has a backbone. It grows hair. Female mammals produce milk. Have you guessed it yet? Well done if you said a mammal. Yes, some of the most intelligent living creatures are mammals, and there are over 5,000 species. So we have a tiger, a horse, a polar bear, a hare, and humans. We are mammals. Well done. Let's have a look at another one. See if you can guess. Ooh, this these animals are covered in scales. What animals do we know that are covered in scales? These animals are cold-blooded, which means their bodies react to their surroundings. If they are cold, they need to sit in the sun to warm up. And if they are hot, they can go into the water or in the shade to cool down. Any idea what it could be yet? These animals are born on land. So we know that amphibians and reptiles are covered in scales, but reptiles are born on land, aren't they? So well done if you said reptile, and they also lay eggs. So we've got tortoises, snakes, chameleons, and crocodiles. Let's have a look at the next one. Which one is this going to be? Oh, they live on land and in water. They start their lives in the water with gills and tails, then grow lungs and legs to live on land. Frogs belong to this group of animals. Any ideas yet? They are cold-blooded. Well done if you said amphibians. So they also have webbed feet and they have smooth skin. Some of them have scales or skin, but they'll be wet to the touch, whereas reptiles are dry. So well done. So let's have a look at this one. Oh, these animals are warm-blooded. What could they be? They have feathers and they have wings. What are they? Well done if you said birds. Yes, it has a beak, they lay eggs, but they have no teeth. Well done. And let's have a look at the last group. These animals live in water. They have fins for swimming. They have gills for breathing. They are cold-blooded They have skeletons. Well done if you said they were fish. Great work. So those are some of the features of the animals that we are going to be looking at today. Now, if you want, you can go on this YouTube, and it's just a little fun song that goes through all the different features. So what do each of these letters stand for? So the B stands for birds, R for the reptiles, A for amphibians, M for mammals, and F for fish. So that's just a fun song if you'd like to listen to that. So your activity, all you need is a piece of paper and a pencil, but if you have coloring pencils, you can also use that, or felt tips. So your task is to create a poster of one of the animal groups we have learned about in class. So there are 3 things you need to have. You need to have the name of the type of animal group. So these 2 posters, this one has mammals and this one says amphibians. You need to write some of the main features of that group, and then you can have pictures or names of animals that belong in that group. So let's have a look at a few posters. So this is a poster on reptiles. So they have scales, not fur, have dry skin, usually lay eggs, ear holes instead of ears, 4 legs or no legs, and cold-blooded. So you could design a poster, write red reptiles, write some of the features, and draw some pictures if you'd like. Here's one on mammals: have fur, hair, give birth to live babies, nurse their young with milk, and they're warm-blooded. And there's pictures of some mammals. We've got the birds, so you could draw some birds and you can write some of the features, that they have beaks, they have wings, they have feathers, they lay eggs, and they are warm-blooded. And there's one on amphibians. So you can create any poster that you would like. Now here's one that my son did for his class, actually. So I will just show you. So just be very simple. You can make it. Just do it. He's written mammals, and he's put some pictures on, and he's written the features. So he's written they have live babies. Mammals have lungs to breathe. 0 legs, 4 legs. So you can create a fun poster, or you can draw pictures if you'd like. Now, if you'd like a challenge, what you could also do is, if you've done that, is you can pick one animal. So you could do a specific poster for one animal. So you can include where they live, what they eat, the features of the animal, and what they look like. So this is just an easy one on polar bears. So you can write they live in the North Pole, they eat fish, seals, and reindeer, they have fur, they like to swim. Polar bears are the largest kind of animal on our planet. So that would just be an extra challenge if you would like to do that. So your first activity for science would be to create a poster of one of the different types of animal groups that we have been learning about. And then the challenge, if you'd like to make a poster about a specific animal. Now remember, all you need is paper and a pencil. If you have coloring pencils or felt tips, you can color in your animals. Just remember to try and do some neat printing and think about the words that you're spelling. So in science, we need to make sure that we're spelling those scientific words correctly. So have a look back at the slides that I just had. You can copy those if you want. And then upload your posters on Tapestry, and we would all love to see them. Okay, take care, and I hope you enjoy this task. Bye.